started my day with some coffee to wake me up, before moving on to preparing food for our picnic. Today I'm going with my boyfriend to 계곡.
Your boyfriend?
Yeah.
I don't have a girlfriend. I only have ex-girlfriend.
Uh-huh. Who's your ex-girlfriend?
여기 있잖아, 이 등신아.
가자.
일띠라.
도착했어요. 근데 I'm just walking to the toilet and D-Star doesn't want to walk, so. Here's the toilet. Baby, I still arrived before you.
괜찮아.
He reversed all the way back. He didn't even wait for me.
와.
사람 없어요. 너무 좋아. 와! 아! 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 둥! Guess what? Guess what? I didn't bring towel.
괜찮아.
I just remember I forgot it. 아.
되게 시원하다. 너무 좋은데? 괜찮아, 괜찮아. 신아이
너 진짜
스마일 안 되는데.
아 진짜
스마일 안 되는데.
You can't eat until you give me a nice smile. 1, 2, 3
어.
and one more.
아 진짜.
No baby,
알았어.
you better give me a good smile. No. 이거 먹어보세요.
잘했어.
No salt. 진짜? 괜찮아? Okay. It's the first time I made it.
잘했어.
배고픈 디스타. 어젯밤에 이거 만들었어요. 미트볼. It says good cold. Oh wow. Oh wow. That's a bit much, right? I should make more.
Next time, right? 소세지 김치. Right?
You know what that means? I don't appreciate all your love.
I love you, appreciate. Not that
hard working.
But I work hard for you.
Enough for me, 1, 2, 3. And the mountain is kimchi is really delicious. I don't know. You don't bring your kimchi. You spend my kimchi.
This is mine and your kimchi.
And others?
Others is only my kimchi.
열무김치 필러.
My favorite.
아, 구독자님들,
맛있어요?
김치. 소세지,
안 돼. 같이 편하게 먹어야 돼.
소세지,
그냥 여기 앉아. 여기 앉으십시오.
너무 시원하다. 너무 좋다. 너무 좋은데? 강혜수 머리 감아야지. 어? Wash your hair. 알았어?
My dessert.
이상해요 얘.
너무 맛있어요. 진짜.
신김치를 왜 이래 좋아해?
Maybe really it's more delicious here.
I told you, in mountainous kimchi is crazy delicious, right? Baby.
왜요? 안 돼요?
Just kimchi doing. What you doing, ma'am?
맛있어.
와. 진짜 진짜 이해 안 돼요. 여러분 이거 진짜 그냥 신김치에 김치 국물이에요.
이거 mom's kimchi is the best.
아니 근데 김치를 저렇게 먹어?
Legend has it that 1,000 years ago in Jijang Mountain, giant monkeys used to live here. Scary monkeys that eat man flesh. That look like Gollum. Gollum. It's Gollum! Ding Ding,
왜?
can you help me?
아.
Can you go into the water
아하.
and take an Instagram video for me? It's too cold. I don't want to go there.
사이즈.
감사합니다. Ah, baby, I can see everything.
따뜻한. 사이즈.
I'm watching you. It's my Instagram husband. 잘해요. Ah, baby! If my phone is broken, oh my gosh, he just put my phone under the water. Baby, you're crazy. You have.
This is not my phone.
아 진짜. Can I put your phone in the water?
Yeah.
진짜? 할 거야. And then we have 2 broken phones and then we can't go home because we don't have navigation. Our matching shoes. 귀여워.
Not to you. 자.
좋아? 안 좋아. 왜? 어머. 우와.
I think I didn't bring face cream. I didn't bring
아! 오늘
오늘
추석이야.
맞아요. So it took us 2.5 hours to get here.
맞아. Usually 1 and
20 minutes.
10 minutes, 20 minutes. If you're not going to the 아니. If you're not going to the toilet, just 1 hour.
My toilet break was 5 minutes.
5 minutes? 5 minutes? 개 무서워.
잘못했어 안 했어? Push-ups. 10 push-ups. Go. Oh, this is so cute with a little tree. On a sunny day, this would be a nice area.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh my gosh. Can you see the spider? Right hand side arrow, 0.5.
응.
Wow, baby. Oh, so much.
이거 뭐예요? 우와.
It's a daddy long leg. Have.
No! In my leg something! In my leg something! That's why I'm scary. That's why I do that.
Also, I'm scary. I also feel something on my legs. Kimchi suba.
김치 수박.
There's clean chopsticks.
있잖아.
Yesterday I bought the shike from the Shijang. 맛있어요. This is rice, right? It's all at the bottom. I will use my coffee straw. 마음 많이 아파요. Dista, baby 진짜 마음 아파.
I don't know.
How did you do that?
몰라.
I have to order one more. 돼.
가야 됩니다.
Yeah, before it gets dark.
안녕.
And we cleaned everything perfect. Perfect.
여러분, 쓰레기 안 돼요.
여러분, 쓰레기 안 돼요.
안 돼요.
안 돼요.
어디 가요?
칩.
슬픈.
I don't want to go into the city. Look how beautiful it is. Look at that side though. Look at the sky. So orange.